If you're looking for the best Bluetooth motorcycle helmet, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. ILM Bluetooth Motorcycle Helmet. Features: Bluetooth calls, FM radio, GPS navigation audio. Standards: meets or exceeds ECE and DOT standards. What we liked: crystal clear sound with noise suppression technology. View full specs. ILM Bluetooth Motorcycle Helmet. The ILM Bluetooth helmet is a motorcycle helmet that allows the user to communicate and listen to music using its Bluetooth 3.0 technology and integrated speakers. It features 2 high-quality built-in speakers that deliver premium quality stereo sound. Its battery life allows for 8 hours of talk time and 110 hours of standby. The helmet features fully washable microfiber liner and adjustable vents. It has sleek and modern-looking design, and it comes in matte black color. This Bluetooth motorcycle helmet comes with an one-touch control for calling, answering, rejecting incoming calls and redialing in order to make these functions easy for the driver. It features intercom function that is only workable with another ILM Bluetooth helmet. The incoming phone calls override the intercom, music, FM radio and GPS navigation audio. It supports a maximum distance of up to 1,000 feet between 2 riders that are using the intercom. The ILM Bluetooth helmet meets or exceeds both ECE and DOT safety standards. Its DSP echo cancellation and noise suppression technology offers high-quality voice communication. There are known issues with the Bluetooth system. When the helmet Bluetooth system hasn't been used for a long time, the battery will enter deep sleep mode, and during this time the Bluetooth mode may not be available. To wake the battery up, you need to charge the battery for about half an hour. After this charge, Bluetooth functionality will be restored. Number 2. Torque T14B Bluetooth Motorcycle Helmet. Features: Bluetooth integrated shell, lock drop-down visor system. Standards: ECE and DOT certified. What we liked: oval profile with solid outer shell protection. View full specs. Torque T14B Bluetooth Motorcycle Helmet. The Torque T14B Bluetooth helmet is a motorcycle helmet with Bluetooth integrated shell. The integrated speakers allow the rider to enjoy music while riding. It delivers premium quality sound that is lacking a little at the low end, but has enough volume output even for a loud bike. It also features a built-in mic that allows you to answer calls. You can control it through a Bluetooth knob that has been comfortably placed on the helmet. This Bluetooth motorcycle helmet is well designed and good looking, including a flag graph in black color. It uses a dual-density EPS system with intermediate oval profile, and it features laser-contoured comfort liner padding. It features an optically correct flat panel shield as well as a smooth lock drop-down visor system called Smooth Lock. The outer shell is made from advanced thermopolymer alloy that ensures both sturdy build quality and durability. The shell base profile is designed to incorporate from back to front with a neck brace. The Torque T41B holds firm to the head when strapped properly with minimal head shake. It also features fully removable and machine washable inner liner. In terms of protection and safety, this helmet is both ECE and DOT certified. Number 3. FRIEDCON BM2S Bluetooth Motorcycle Helmet. Features: built-in Bluetooth intercom system, supports music and GPS audio. Standards: meets or exceeds ECE and DOT standards. What we liked: user-friendly design, crystal clear sound performance. View full specs. FRIEDCON BM2S Bluetooth Motorcycle Helmet. The FRIEDCON BM2S is a Bluetooth motorcycle helmet that features integrated Bluetooth connectivity and communication capabilities. It is compliant with the Bluetooth 3.0, supporting HSP, headset profile, HFP, hands-free profile, and A2DP, advanced audio distribution profile, for most of the Bluetooth devices. Once it is connected to the mobile phone and GPS, you can have a hands-free call and listen to the voice prompt of GPS easily. Similarly, you can connect it with MP3 and phones to enjoy your favorite music by controlling music through AVRCP, play and pause. The built-in Bluetooth intercom system keeps you in touch with up to 2 people from 500 meters, 1,640 feet, away, making your communication convenient. Featuring Bluetooth 3.0 connectivity, the BM2S helmet keeps you connected with your cell phone, music player and GPS system via Bluetooth easily and stably. It ensures comfortability with its ABS lightweight shell that has an advanced ventilation system. The design is user-friendly as a simple one-button control can complete all operations such as receiving calls, making an intercom, turning FM and music on and off and GPS navigation when riding. The cheek pads and the liner of the helmet are deodorant, absorbent and removable, making them easy to clean. In terms of safety and protection, it meets and exceeds both DOT and ECE requirements. Number 4. FRIEDCON Integrated Bluetooth Motorcycle Helmet. Features: Bluetooth 3.0 and wireless intercom function. Standards: meets or exceeds ECE and DOT standards. What we liked: comfortable design with ABS lightweight shell. View full specs: FRIEDCON Integrated Bluetooth Motorcycle Helmet. The FRIEDCON BM2S is a motorcycle helmet that has integrated speakers and wireless connectivity, letting you listen to music or take calls while riding your bike. Its Bluetooth 3.0 technology keeps you connected with your cell phone, music player, and GPS system easily and stably. The built-in ear speakers and noise-canceling microphone allow bikers to receive GPS voice instructions, conduct calls on their mobile phone and listen to music on their MP3 player. In addition, this Bluetooth motorcycle helmet offers built-in bike-to-bike intercom communication for up to 3 people and up to 500 meters, 551 yards, away, so that you can always be in touch while riding. Its 600 mAh battery offers up to 12 hours of talk time on the phone or up to 9 hours on the intercom. Its standby time is 120 hours. Comfortability is ensured through its ABS lightweight shell that incorporates an advanced ventilation system. Both the cheek pads and the liner are deodorant, absorbent and removable, making them easy to clean. In terms of security and protection, the FRIEDCON BM2S has a DOT certification, meeting and exceeding DOT requirements. The package includes a helmet bag, a USB charging cable, and a user manual. The AC adapter is not included, but it can be charged by any mobile phone adapter. Number 5. Sena Bluetooth Motorcycle Helmet. Features: Bluetooth stereo headset and intercom. Standards: meets ECE and DOT standards. What we liked: built-in FM radio, supports voice GPS navigations. View full specs: Sena Bluetooth Motorcycle Helmet. The SMH10HFM01 is a Bluetooth stereo headset with long-range Bluetooth intercom designed specifically for motorcycle half helmets. With the SMH10HFM01, you can call hands-free on your Bluetooth mobile phone, listen to stereo music or voice instructions of GPS navigation by Bluetooth wirelessly, and have intercom conversations in full duplex with a passenger or other motorcycle riders. It also features a built-in FM radio to listen to your favorite stations in addition to intercom use. The Sena Bluetooth motorcycle helmet can wirelessly connect to other Bluetooth devices supporting HSP/HFP, headset profile/hands-free profile, and A2DP, advanced audio distribution profile. Other Bluetooth features include multi-pair to allow intercom functionality for 4 people, and compatibility with certain motorcycle GPS systems. It features Bluetooth version 3.0 and the advanced digital processing technology for crystal clear sound quality for both incoming and outgoing sound. This helmet has a lightweight and compact form factor, contributes higher performance for sports bike riding, and makes it a suitable companion for motorcycle riders. The voice prompts allow riders to operate functions such as GPS, volume control, mobile phone calls and more without needing to take their hands off of the handlebars. This helmet provides voice prompt options for multi-language, English, French, German, Italian, and Spanish. You can easily decrease/increase the volume of the voice, music and intercom using jog dial. The SMH10HFM01 can save volume levels of previously connected profiles. The SMH10HFM01 will fit onto various types of helmets, thanks to its standard clamp that is included in the package. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video, and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.